Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the hottest tech careers of our time, which is data engineering. If you have ever wondered how companies like Netflix, Uber, or Amazon handle massive amounts of data behind the scenes, this video is for you. So, what exactly is data engineering? So, let us think a simple analogy. If data is oil, then data engineers are the ones building the pipelines, refineries, and tanks that makes that oil usable. They are like a mix of a digital plumber and an architect, making sure data flows smoothly from sources like apps and APIs into systems where it's stored, clean, and ready for the analysis. In short, data engineers makes raw data useful for everyone else, like analysts, data scientists, and even AI systems. Coming to the ETL process. It starts from the sources like websites, databases, and APIs, then moves through the data engineer who extracts, transforms, and loads it. That's the ETL process. From there, it lands in a data warehouse like Snowflake or BigQuery. And finally, powers analytics and dashboards that businesses use every single day. In simple terms, data engineer makes sure your data goes from messy to meaningful. Coming to the data engineers' roles and responsibilities. Now, what does a data engineer actually do every day? Let's break it down. They build simple pipelines, the automated system that collect and move data around. They manage databases, designing how data is stored and accessed efficiently. They integrate data from multiple sources sales, marketing, social media, you name it. They clean and validate the data, making sure it's accurate and ready to use. They optimize performance so even billions of records can be processed fast. And most importantly, they secure data, ensuring privacy and compliance. In other words, they are the backbone of any data driven organization. So, let's talk about tools, the real weapon set of a data engineer. We will be using Python for automation, transformations, and data manipulation. And we will be using SQL, the language every data professional must master it. Then Apache Spark for processing big data at lightning speed. And coming to the Kafka, handles real-time streaming the data. Then we will be having cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP where all this magic happens. And Docker packages your projects so they run anywhere. Airflow automates and schedules data workflows. And we have a Snowflakes, a modern cloud data warehouse used in top enterprises. If you are learning a data engineering, Python, SQL, and one cloud platform are your top three priorities to start with. Coming to the career path, now how does your career grow as a data engineer? You start as a junior data engineer, learning and building small pipelines. Then you will move to the data engineer, managing larger systems and cloud workflows. Next is senior data engineer, designing architecture and mentoring others. And finally, lead our manager, leading teams and defining strategies. Salaries, they are quite impressive, ranging roughly from 60K dollar for beginners to over 200K dollars for experienced leads. And to grow faster, learn programming, Python, SQL, and Java, cloud platforms, Airflow, Kafka, and version control like Git. Why it matters? Every company today is becoming a data company. Whether it's Netflix recommending what you should watch next or Uber adjusting fares in real time, all of this happens because of solid foundation built by data engineer. That's why data engineer is one of the fastest growing and highest paying careers in tech right now. So, if you are passionate about tech, love solving problems, and want a future proof career, data engineering might be the perfect path for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tech content, and drop a comment below. What's one data engineering tool you are most excited to learn? Thanks for watching, and remember, data powers everything. Thank you.